Alright, I'm taking this down. We're going to try to set this outside in the backyard. And since there's space now, I'm going to go ahead and do a little deep cleaning on the items on this shelf over here. At least that's the plan before my other table comes. But yeah, the top is outside in the back. It's a nice heavy piece of wrought iron. I was going to give it away, but I'm going to hang on to it because it'd make a nice patio table in the yard. Today what I'm going to do is take all the glassware off the bar cart and that shelf and wash it. It's been at least a year since the last time I was able to get back there and take all that stuff down and clean it. So today's the day. Long overdue.
what you think. And maybe I could have handled it better. Or maybe you'll tell me just what I've done to you. What I've done to you. Would you have me doing? I could open up your eyes. You don't have to make me feel weak. But what you could have had, you never had to be alone again. But what you could have had, you never have to be alone again.
It's been a while. Wait, because 3 days is a long time. What was he thinking? I mean, I don't know, but I don't want to see him, and I am cute, right? I mean, I am. Yes, I've been wrong for God knows how long at this point. I guess I was wrong. I mean, I didn't see this coming at all.
Oh, why'd you have to say the truth? I'll wake up next to you. I'm blinded by your sunlight. Oh, why'd you have to say the truth? I'll wake up next to you. I'm blinded by your sunlight.
I was so tired from yesterday, I managed to drag the dining room table into the living room before I drug it out the front door. And then I took down all the M&M characters candy dispensers off the shelf, which I'm going to wash them today and put them back. The table will be here later on today. The dining room table has arrived. So now I have to unbox and put it together because I'm impatient. I've put together so much stuff myself over the years. I'm just used to assembling things. I could have gone into the TaskRabbit. Is it TaskRabbit where you go, they hire you to assemble stuff? Yeah, I could have done that, but not at this point in my life. So of course they package with all the little screws and stuff and all that styrofoam. See under here, over there, all the way around. And you tighten it. I'm gonna have to tighten that later. So I'm gonna go around and finish the rest of them. And I'll be right back. Look at this mess I gotta get rid of. Just have to clean up the table because it's dusty. Vacuum the rug one more time because I washed it. And put the chairs back. And that's it. As you can now see the mess that I'm gonna have to get rid of and clean up. I've broken up all the styrofoam, ripped up all the cardboard because I'm going to save those pieces for doing my landscaping. The cardboard, you can put that on top of your grass or weeds to kill it. So that's what I'm going to use it and put mulch on top of it. But anyway, here's the finished product. It was not that easy to do. I struggled a little bit trying to get it together by myself. Sometimes it requires two people. It wasn't that heavy, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, because I'm going to keep trying to come with more videos. But at least I got this little area finally cleaned up. I had limited space here, so I felt better getting a smaller table. Just give me a little bit more room in this area. Alright, take care.